So yesterday after the Good Friday service, I went over by to my church sister, Sister Davine, because she invited me to come over and to eat just some bun and cheese and get into the spirit of Easter, you understand? But she left me so traumatized because when I went by to her house, it looked like she was sharing the house with a family of roaches. You understand? As a matter of fact, it looked like if she was renting the room from them and them was her landlord because they were just in and out of her room right about the house all over. So, you know, at first, when I saw the first one, I was ignoring him. But then afterwards, I see a brother come, a sister come, auntie, cousin, everybody coming. So I was saying to myself, it looked like it's a party them planning to keep because they was very busy into the night there. And then she went to come and ask me, does you want any water? I said, no, Sister Davina, I said, I drink the whole bottle of water in my fridge before I come here, you know, I am good. She going to give me bun and cheese. I tell her that the water full up my belly, so I does not want anything to eat. One of the roach give me a dirty eye. One of the time I just hurry up and take off my eye half of him, you know, because he looked like he was giving a little attitude. So I said to Sister Davina, I said, you never tell them that you was having company tonight because they look like they're very upset that you carry me come here, you know. She said, what you talking about? I say, the rest of the people them that you have around here, man. She said, he saw them nothing, even though I tried to kill them off, they still coming up. I said, then why did you invite me here? I cannot imagine if any of those get way hand to the bonages, but I had to be whispering because I did not want any of them to overhear and to get her and to get upset, and she probably get in trouble and they're going to put her out of the house. But so I had to cut the visit very short. So she telling me that, you know, so you're coming by today after the church service. I said, no, you know, I actually have a show down by NCU Mandeville and it starts at 7 o'clock. You know, so I am going to be down there today and then tomorrow I'm going to be up by Hobarlin High School for another show. The cost for the tickets is 1,500. I said, you can invite yourself, but don't invite anybody else from this house to come down there. You understand? So I tell her next week, Saturday, I'm also going to be at Portmore Heart Academy, 8 o'clock for that show. So I am going to be very busy from here on out. So she does not need to invite me go anywhere.